Do you ever feel overwhelmed? I know that I certainly do, to be really honest. And lately I've had so many people telling me that they're feeling overwhelmed and asking me, Lauren, how is it that you manage to juggle your busy work and family and just life in general and keep everything in balance and have time for you? So I decided that I'd really like to delve deep into this and to share the things that I do, the strategies I use day to day in my own life, the parenting techniques that I use, the business strategies and time management strategies that I use every day and every week to really maintain calm and to stay in control and just keep everything in balance. So if you would love to discover the strategies that I've used that have worked and to have your own questions answered, I invite you to join me for this free live workshop where I'm talking about how to overcome the overwhelm. And I'll be sharing my top tips and strategies to juggle family, life and work so that you can have less stress, you can really thrive and have more joy in your life. So feel free to share this with your friends. I invite you to join me. Just click the link below, register your name and email, and I will see you there this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.